Riding a bike provides exercise and is the perfect way to explore the great outdoors. For the people of Nicaragua and Congo who have no transportation, a bike provides entire communities a better way of life.
1 billion people lack transportation. To those people, it's life altering. It's, can I get to school? You know, can I get to work or maintain a job? My child is ill, but I can't get to a doctor. A doctor can't get to me. So taking this product that we take for granted and realizing that it has life-altering impact and bringing it to those people where the impact is inspired.
Reinvention Wheels is a charitable organization that does more than just deliver a gift. It allows the recipients of the bikes the tools they need to build a better tomorrow by providing new income opportunities, self-sufficiency, and improved health and nutrition.
I've seen 70-year-old women carrying 5 gallons in one arm, tilting her over. You can tell that she's been carrying her whole life. And now just to give her a vehicle where she can put 5 gallons on one bicycle. When we take it to the next level and we start using bicycles now as a business, a micro business, and that means that somebody is able to earn $1 or $3 a day, changes their life, but now they take that bike and put a front end trolley on it. They can drop 4 5-gallon buckets at once, drive to the location and serve 4 families. That woman doesn't have to walk anymore. She has her bike. Now it gets her to work. She's got her own water. Somebody else is making $3 a day. If that's not a win-win and transformative to a community, I don't know a better example.
Call it progress in motion. Reinvention Wheels is using the construction of bicycles to change lives in third world countries and right here in the United States.
In name, the beneficiaries are those who receive the bikes and are now riding them for economic and self-sufficiency purposes, and that is wonderful. So Reinvention Wheels is effectively 2 companies in one. We've got this domestic operation that provides a workshop that we call Mechanics, where organizations, co-workers come together.
Where they do an exercise that brings them together, creates teamwork, and the finished product all of a sudden is then used all over again to help an entirely separate group of people who are now across the world, and we have a personal connection with those. Our folks came together to build that product, get better at what they do, and then serve the secondary function. So it's very synergistic, if you will.
Reinvention Wheels was inspired by a vision to improve self-sufficiency for underprivileged citizens, and there is no end in sight for how many lives can be enriched.
There are companies in every city who would want to bring their folks together for this kind of exercise. There is no limit to the need for transportation in other countries. The sky is the limit. We ride these bikes under blue skies and create, happiness, better quality of life for people.
For more information about Reinvention Wheels, go to reinventionwheels.org.